In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Salesforce Data Import Wizard using Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. This process is designed to streamline your data management and make importing information into Salesforce a breeze. Let's jump right in. First, let's head over to the Salesforce homepage. In your browser, open the site Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com, and ensure you're logged in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Salesforce interface. This is your central hub, where you'll initiate the data import process. Now, let's move on and get into the settings area. You'll see a settings icon typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll reveal a drop-down menu full of options. This is where you begin to access the back-end functionalities that allow you to fine-tune your Salesforce experience. Next, we're going to dive deeper by clicking on Open Advanced Setup. This option will typically appear underneath the initial settings menu. Selecting this will take you to an extensive configuration page where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Advanced Setup area, look for a convenient search feature called Quick Find. This tool is fantastic for navigating large volumes of options without getting lost. Type in Data Import Wizard, and you should see the option pop up almost immediately beneath the search bar. Now, click on the Data Import Wizard. This user-friendly tool is perfect for importing bulk data into Salesforce. As the name suggests, it guides you step by step through the entire import process, reducing errors and enhancing efficiency. In the Data Import Wizard interface, you'll see a button labeled Import My Data. Click on that to start the import process. This step is crucial as it initiates the actual data handling sequence. Next, you'll click on Start. At this point, you need to decide what type of data you want to import. This could range from customer contacts to product inventories. It's key to select the appropriate data type as it influences how Salesforce will interpret and store the information. Once you've chosen your data type, continue by clicking Next. The system will prompt you to choose your contents, verifying which specific records you want to import. Another click on Next propels you forward in the process. You will then see an option that says, I have a .csv file. Almost all data imports use CSV files because they're versatile and easy to manipulate. Select this option. Click Next again to proceed. Now it's time to upload your files. Select Upload Files and choose the appropriate file from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, you'll hit Next again, finalizing the selections you've made. Finally, with your data uploaded and verified, click Import. The system will take a moment to process depending on the size of your data set. Once complete, Salesforce will confirm that your data has been successfully imported. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now able to seamlessly import data into Salesforce using the Data Import Wizard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.